Brittany Goff's mother accused of not liking her and stealing Britt's money.
Listen, you see Brittany Goff mother? That woman full of obia and witchcraft. Let me tell you something. That woman living in Florida, somewhere she do people. Let me only will be shocked.
So what? Then Miss Ketty, what is going on? Like, why you come here with this tonight? What happened?
No, only listen to me now. Listen now, no man. Brit life is in jeopardy. You hear me tell you now? Don't.
We see that Brit is in the hospital and she get help. So what is this?
Oh, no, see. Listen to me. Everything will come out in the forefront very soon.
That are the problem we are having now. When you come to say stuff and talk things, then you say everything will come out to the forefront. Like what? If you don't have something to say, just say it.
Listen to me. I'm saying to you guys, just stand with Zoe, because if you guys don't, let me tell you something. Brittany mom does not like Brittany. Brittany mom takes so much Brittany money. You understand? And take care of the whole entire family. Brit build a house for them. They want Brit out of the house. They want Brit